Today we're looking at the Guru punch set. It's quite a nice little set, nice and light, quite compact. If you need to do this with one hand, when it's on your side tray or on your box or on your lap, you've got the Guru logo indentation in the box. You can kind of just see there, so you can physically open it up with one hand. You'll have your bread, your punch. You can punch, drop it out, slides up nice, easy. It does stop on its own at that position, and then if you want to get to your other punches, it just slides out and reveals your 4 punches. They're in order of 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm. If you pop them out, it says inside 6mm, and then you've got different size 10s and so on. The actual punches, front's quite sharp, nice and sharp. We'll go through your meat, your bread, your boilies, things like that. It's quite sharp, it's quite good. Each one will say it's got its Guru name. On the other side it's the size, your 10mm, and these work on like a little lever, so as you're stamping, this will come up, and then when you're ready you'll just push them straight out. So yeah, so that's quite good. So for this one, if we just use, we use a 10mm nice and big. So you can bread, you can have whatever way you want it, that way around. That way's a bit tight, but I'll have it that way around. When you're not using it, punch can just sit in there. You can have 1 or 2 punches in there, depending. So if you're only going to be doing this one-handed, usually, oh, that wasn't on properly. Let's put that on properly. There we go. One-handed, it stops. You can get your punch, and it's in there. So you can literally pop that one out, or you can go through. You want to get one that holds disc set. Perfect for the hook size. Yeah, it's quite good. And then when you're done, that stops it from getting wet. It's pretty good. It's quite, I'll say airtight, but it does hold the air well. So on a rainy day or quite a warm day, it doesn't really get like this. This will stay quite fresh for a good 2-3 hours on the side of the bank. I've used this a couple of times already, and it's actually quite nice. It's quite a good little set. So yeah, I'm happy with it. If you like, if you want to add it to your set, it's a good little set. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, that's the Guru punch set, or punch box set, I think they call it. Yeah, nice little set. Cheers.